little one-on-one.
Maybe after dinner.
I'm sorry, I thought you were the cleaning lady.
Oh, you do play a lot of basketball, do you?
Not so much as you put her knee up. Give me a couple seconds here, I'm ready to go.
All right. You know,
The walls and